How to import pandas library after the installation of pandas. So you have to open the IDLE and you have to write import statement, and there are two ways in which pandas library can be imported. First way is to import the pandas directly, and second way is to import the pandas with alias name. So how to import pandas library using alias? You have to write import pandas as PD, where PD is the alias name and you can use any name in place of PD. So we have to see the example in Python ideally. So here already one example is there in which I have written import pandas and there is one series object S. Now I will write statement import pandas as PD. PD is the alias name. Then I will be using PD as to create the object. For example, now I create object P and I will be using PD dot series, and again I will now I will bring a tuple 1, 2, 3 as series object, and I will be writing int p. So it will give me the series